Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be tying gele. As you can see from the thumbnail, this gele is 4 pieces sewn into one, and I folded it into 3 places, as you can see from the video. If you want your hair to show, fold into 3, but if you don't want your hair to show, you fold into 1.5. The part that is 1 will go to the back, then the part that is half will be under to cover your hair very well. So you divide the gele into 2 equal parts. You place it on your head and tie it only once at the back. Make sure you tie it firmly so that it will hold the gele on your head, so it will not fall off your head. So after tying it at your back, you make it smooth to the front. You bring the 2 ends to the front. Make sure that it is smooth and wide. Don't roll it, don't make it tiny, because you are going to hide the edge of the gele under it. You will see what I mean as we proceed. Then tie it again in front, as you can see from the video, before we begin to style it. Now, after tying it, I noticed the back is tipping up, so I had to adjust it with my fingers. One thing I like about gele is it's versatile. So after tying it, the hand that goes to the back, you take it to the front, then the one that goes to the front, you style it to the back. As you can see from the video, I'm demonstrating it. So this is not how to style it, as you can see from the video. No, don't fold this way. Open it up and pleat the edges so that you will get a very full style when you are done. So take it to the back and hide it under. Remember when I said make sure that you make it wide, that you don't roll that part, that you make it wide, because you are going to hide the edge of the gele under. This is what I meant. So when you are done with one, you proceed to pleat the second hand and hide under from the front, because this hand came from the back. So the style is very easy, as you can see. I call it rich auntie style. So while adjusting the style, if you notice that there is gap in between the 2 hands, you use office pin and secure the space so that they don't fall apart. It's very easy. You don't need so much adjusting. As you can see from the video, I'm almost done, just fixing 1 or 2 edges, and that is it. So now that we are done, we adjust to our taste, and let's get the earring to complete the look. Do let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this style.